Hello, all of you. I think you're doing well. So, let's start the discussion of factors today. So, when I talk about factors, what I mean by factor is the number that divides, like the positive divisors. Now, what I mean by positive divisors, if I say what are the factors of 10, we say the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10, the number that divides. So you only take the positive divisors. You know that 1 is a factor of each number. So here that 10 has 4 factors. Okay. And if I say what are the factors of 7, 7 is a prime number. It has only 2 factors, 1 and 7. So how do you know a prime number? A prime number has exactly 2 factors. Similarly, the composite number like 10 has more than 2 factors. So having 2 factors is basically a cutoff. If a number has 2 factors, we'll say this is a prime number. So depending on factors, we can decide our number is a perfect square or not. So let's take a question to understand this one. This question is very interesting. You look at these question. Okay. So there are 100 doors. All doors are initially closed. A person walks through all the doors multiple times and toggle. Toggle means if it is open, you close it, and close it is open it. That means one will go. The first person will go to every door. The second will go to the 2 and then 4. Okay. That means like a person should visit a door which is a multiple of his number. So 1 will go to all door, 2 will go to the multiple of 2, 3 will go to the multiples of 3. That's why. So this is the question. And the third person will go to the multiple of 3. Okay. The sixth person will go to the multiple of 6. So 6th person will go to 6 and then 12 and then 18 and so on. So 1 visit all the doors, 2 visit the even number door, 3 visit the multiples of 3. Similarly, if I say the 50th person, the 50th person will visit only 2 doors, 50 and 100, isn't it? And the 100th person will visit the 100th door only 1 door. So this is written, example written, or you can say replace this by the same line like multiple doors they are there. The person will visit the door which is a multiple of his number. Okay. So question is, which doors are open? You can try this question, but I'll show you a way out. Just a minute. So what I'll do, I'll not going to take a case of 100 doors. Rather, I'll take a case of 10 doors and 10%, and we'll understand how this logic. So take the first door, take the second door. This is the third door. This is the fourth door, the fifth door, the sixth door, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, and the 10th door. And these are the person, like first person, the second person, the third person, the fourth, the fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth, and 10th. Okay. Now, what the first person do will visit all the doors and open it because it was closed initially. Open 1, open 2, open 3, open 4, open 5, open 6, open 7, open 8, open 9, and open 10. Now, what 2 will do? 2 will go to 2 first and we'll find 2 is open. So, we'll close it. Close 4, close 6, close 8, close 10, and so on, so on. But I'll be taking a case of 10 only. Now, what 3 will do? 3 will go to 3 first, and 3 is open, so close 3. Then go to 6, open 6 because it was closed by 2. Then close 9. 4 will go to 4 first, will open 4. Then go to 8, will open 8. 5 will go to 5 first, and he will close 5 because 5 was already opened by 1. And 10 will open. 6 will go to 6. And that's it. 7 will go to 7 and close. 8 will go to 8 and close. 9 will go to 9 and open because it was closed by 5. We need to close by 3 and then open 9 and then close 10. That's all. So now if you look at the doors which are still open, that is door number 1 is open. Door number 4 is open. And door number 9 is open. And check the similarity. These numbers are perfect squares. So all the perfect square from 1 to 100, like 1, then 4, then 9, then 4 square 16, 5 square 25, and dot 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 10 square. The 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, and then 9 square is 81, and then 10 square is 100. These 10 doors will remain open and remaining 90 door will remain closed. Now why this is happening, that is the main important part. You see, if you want a door to remain open, basically you want that door to be visited odd number of times, isn't it? 4, and then 4 is visited by 1 and 2 and then 4 3 times. So here every perfect square are open. That means each perfect square door have been visited odd number of times. And that implies one point. Check what I'm saying now. If you check who has visited the 6th door, isn't it? The visited 6th door, 1 visited the 6th door, then 2 visited the 6th door, 3 visited the 6th door, and 6 itself. Who visited the 10 door? 1, 2, 5, and 10. And these are the factors. So here I'm doing nothing, but this is nothing but a factors table. Isn't it? So 1 has 1 factors, 4 has 3 factors, 9 has also 3 factors. That means, now let me connect these two. That means every perfect square is open. That means they have been visited odd number of times. And that means every perfect square must have odd number of factors. So how do you know a number is perfect square or not? You can check the number of factors. If the number of factors are odd, it should be a perfect square. So perfect square means it has odd number of factors. Like 36. What are the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Check how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Odd factors. If I say 12, 12 has how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 12. Okay, so it has 6 factors. Now the question appears why this is necessary to have an odd number of factors for Puppet square. Now check the reason here. If the question is multiply two number and I want to get 36, how many ways it is possible? And A, B are natural number. A, B belongs to natural number. The question is how many way product of two number like A and B equal to 36? How many way it is possible? So for that, it is 1 into 36 is one of the possibilities. 1 into 36. Then 2 into 18 is the next possibility. So I have to write down the factors only, no? Then 3 into 12 is the next possibility. And then 4 into 9 is the next possibility. And see what happens after this. We have a single person. It should be multiplied with 6 only to get 36 back. So after the pairing, you need a single element. This should be multiplied with itself. 6 into 6, 6 square. That's why this becomes perfect square. So after pairing means we have even number of items and we have a single items. That means we have odd number of factors. But in case of 12, what happened? 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. And 3 into 4 is also 12. Now we have no pair element, no single element rather. Sorry, we have no single element. So no single element means it is we have no single element, so it should not be multiplied. I don't have any number which should be multiplied with itself to get this 12. So that's why it is very necessary that we should have an odd number of factors for a Puppet square. So we also have understood a logic. If I say how many way product of two number is 36, what you will do? How many pairs? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair and 5 pairs. Check it out. So the formula should be, it has 9 factors, 36 has 9 factors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll add 1 to it and I divide by 2. 10 by 2 equal to 5 pairs. But in case of 12, how many pairs? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs. Because it has 6 factors, I'll divide by 2, I'll get 3 pairs. So what I can do here, I've got a formula like if the question is how many way product of two number is n and A, B are natural number. So if n is a perfect square, then we have a different answer. And the number of ways will be number of factors plus 1 divided by 2. And otherwise, if it's not a Puppet square, what you'll do? The number of ways is equals to directly the number of factors by 2. Okay, so this is just the starting of factors. I'll continue factors concept one after the other classes. Thank you.